How to make $1 million in 90 days. Is it possible to make $1 million in just 3 months? Well, sure it is. It might not be easy, but it is possible. What would it take to accomplish this behemoth of a goal? To find out, we need to reverse engineer what goes into making $1 million. So if you want to understand what it takes to become a millionaire in lightning speed, stick around. The way we'll try to make this goal happen is by ultimately selling a business for $1 million. Selling businesses is a growing trend. More and more people are buying and selling businesses all the time. Businesses can be bought or sold at any time on websites such as Flippa.com. Flippa has all kinds of businesses for sale like blogs, e-commerce stores, software as a service, and apps. Businesses oftentimes sell at a value equal to 4 times their annual profit. For example, if a business is generating $1,000 profit a month or $12,000 profit a year, it could sell for $48,000. Buyers pay up for these businesses because they know that they can make money with them for years to come. Sellers require a hefty fee to part with their profitable project. So, in theory, in order to sell a business for $1 million, it would need to be bringing in about $250,000 per year in profit. Breaking this down further, that would be equal to about $20,833 profit per month. So, in order to make $1 million in 90 days, you just need to come up with a business that is making almost $21,000 profit per month. That's no easy task, but it sounds a lot less scary than trying to come up with $1 million. Once again, if you have a business that is making $21,000 per month, investors would look at that business as bringing in $250,000 per year and would potentially be willing to pay 4 times that amount for it, or $1 million. Now that we know what it would take to sell a business for $1 million, how do we go about coming up with a business that makes $21,000 profit per month? Again, we can try breaking this figure down into more digestible steps. Can we come up with a business that brings in $2,100 profit per month? This could be any kind of business. Perhaps you could come up with a software as a service, an app, a website selling services, or something else. Maybe you could find customers willing to pay top dollar for a specialized consulting service. Now that you have this business making $2,100 per month, you just need to copy it 9 more times, but with some kind of twist. Now you'll have 10 businesses making $2,100 per month, or $21,000 altogether. It's finally time to bundle all these businesses together as one package and list it for sale. You've now earned $1 million in just 90 days.